Hi guys, welcome back to our latest video. Today we have Lord Aleems Lamborghini Aventador S Roadster that we're going to convert from gloss paint to matte paint using Xpel Stealth paint protection film. Now that the vehicle is cleaned and decontaminated, we can get it ready for Xpel Stealth paint protection film.
Perfect.
Hey guys, it's Lord Aleem and I'm on ONYX Automotive channel. Behind me is my latest Aventador S Roadster, finished in the Xpel paint protection film done by the guys over here at ONYX Automotive. I've said that a few times now, haven't I? I really like saying the name now.
We've got it here now. Nearly there.
Oh man, this one is a special one and I'm very excited to use it. So yeah, thank you so much. Harry, was it a pleasure working on? What was it like? Yeah, I see it had a few problems, but you've overcome it because it's not exactly a brand new car, is it?
No, so we've stripped the old film off. So the gloss film on there to start with, we've stripped that back, given it machine polish, and then fitted Xpel Stealth to the entire vehicle to give it that sleek satin look that we now have.
I feel like I've just picked up a brand new Aventador for like a fraction of the price.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for future videos.